Hello, Mike. I thank you for your information this time. So let me simply explain it. Maybe this video will be helpful. Let me take an example of our current existing system in our office. For example, we have two cameras connected by PoE port. So this is plug and play. And this cable is connected to our local switch. And now let's go to the main menu. You can see this. We have two cameras connected by plug and play. And now if we have another camera, for example, this is the camera which connected to our local switch. How do we add it into our system? So for example, in default, you can see the IP address is different. This kind of IP address, this is the PoE, this is the NVR's PoE port assignment for the camera for plug and play. So now if we want to change another camera, if your system has 16 cameras, so there will be 16 devices. And this is the camera. This one is the camera that exists in our connected to our local switch. So we can check the IP address is different. Now let's go to C. You can check our network. Yeah, you can see this is our NVR IP address. So you must make sure if the camera connected to PoE switch, the IP address must be same segment. So let's go to add more cameras. We found the IP address of that one, right? So we add it now. Oh, hold on. Before this, let me explain. So for example, this camera is already have an IP address. It's by plug and play. If you plug or pull out from this port and then connect it to a PoE switch, you need our tools, which I have sent you. You need our tools to change this IP address into our local IP address. Now we add another camera. We have found the IP address of that camera. So we now add it here. Any channel, for example, channel 3. We add it here. You can see this camera is over here. We use IP address mode. In default, it will be plug and play. For example, we change another one. You can see here, yes, it's plug and play, right? Now we have changed it to the IP address. And we select this one. Okay, so the camera is added into it. So let's click OK. We added it into channel 4. Now the camera is connected. Yes, you can see here. Oh, sorry. You have to change it. You have to input the password. Okay. Oh, sorry. Oh yeah, this camera is already added here. Now we go back to, yeah, you can find this camera is connected. The main import is over here. When you add the camera, the main import is two steps. In two steps. First, you have, when you pull out the camera, this IP address, and then connect it to your switch. First step, you have to use our tools to reset the password, to reset the IP address. And the second, you have to add the camera in this mode. So now you get it, right? I hope this video will be helpful. For better understanding, so I'm going to take exactly one of the camera For example, it is connected by PoE in channel 5. As you can see, in channel 5, the video is over here. The video is over here. Now I'm going to pull it out and connect it to PoE switch, and then add it to the same channel. I will show you. Now I'm connecting this camera to our PoE switch. And now I'm using search tool to find the IP address of that camera. Now you can see this camera. This IP address is the IP address from the NVR. We have to batch reset it. So make it IP address match with our NVR's network. You can see. Click here, the batch reset. Okay. The system will restart. Now search. Now you can see the IP address changed back, right? And now we go back to the NVR, we add that camera into our channel 5, the same one. You can see we have found the IP address, right? Yes, it's over here. We change it IP address more. We click here, camera config. We change it back to, actually you can add it into any available channel. For example, it's channel 3, channel 4, it's all okay. But we added it over here. We change it back to IP address. Password, change it back to. Okay, so we just wait over here if the channel 5 camera is coming up. Now you can see the camera is coming up.